Otto, slow down. That's a robot vacuum, not an amusement park ride. Well, it's mapping the house, cleaning the floor, and apparently taking Otto on a tour he did not request. From the StageAI Plus Foundation, the products, the gadgets, the tools that make life easier. Now, here's Otto, and this is Otto Reviews It.
Hey everybody, I'm Otto, product reviewer, professional treat enthusiast, and the only member of my family who once pushed all the crumbs under the couch and then proudly announced that the room was clean. Apparently, that's not how cleaning works. Today we're reviewing the iRobot Roomba 105X robot vacuum. And I have to admit, as someone who sheds professionally, I approach this review with a certain amount of concern, because this thing seems extremely motivated. Now let's talk about what makes this Roomba different. The first thing that stood with me was the LiDAR mapping, which is a fancy way of saying it actually learns where things are. Instead of wandering around the house like cousin Toto looking for his reading glasses, the Roomba creates a map and cleans in organized rows. That's important because efficient cleaning means better cleaning. Less missed spots, less bumping into furniture, less getting stuck in strange places, and more time spent actually doing its job. Another thing I really liked was the suction power. This model delivers significantly more cleaning power than older Roomba models, and does a great job picking up dirt, dust, crumbs, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. As a dog, I feel personally attacked, but I respect the commitment. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, room by room cleaning, because let's be honest, not every room gets dirty at the same rate. The kitchen, the entryway, the room where the grandkids visit, the area under the dining table where half a sandwich somehow ends up on the floor. Those places usually need a little extra attention. With the Roomba app, you can customize where and how it cleans, helping you focus on the areas that need it most. I also appreciate the scheduling features because nobody wakes up in the morning thinking, you know what sounds exciting today? Vacuuming. But having the ability to schedule cleaning automatically means one less chore to remember and one less thing demanding your attention. Now this is where I think many seniors and adults with disabilities will really appreciate a product like this. No dragging a heavy vacuum around the house, no wrestling with cords, no carrying equipment room to room. No unnecessary bending, lifting, or strain. You simply let the robot do the work. And that's exactly the kind of technology I like. Technology should remove obstacles, not create them. At the StageAI Plus Foundation, we're always looking for products and tools that help people maintain independence and make everyday life a little easier. And this Roomba definitely fits into that category. Now, is it going to replace every cleaning tool in your home? Probably not. If your dog just sprinted through a muddy backyard and then launched himself across the living room carpet, you may still have some work to do. But for everyday maintenance cleaning, this thing can save a lot of time and effort. My final rating, 4.5 treats out of 5. Smart, convenient, easy to use. And a great example of technology quietly helping people maintain a cleaner home with less physical effort. If you'd like to learn more about today's product, click the product link in the description below. And if you'd like to learn more about the StageAI Plus Foundation, our free educational resources, accessibility programs, technology tutorials, wellness content, fraud awareness training, product reviews, and support for seniors and adults with disabilities, you'll find the foundation link in my bio. I'm Otto. Remember, before you buy it, let Otto try it. See you in the next review.